We're here in Huntington, Oregon, helping to commission the first fast charging site for electric vehicle charging. So it's the first of its kind in the West. It'll deliver 350 kilowatts of power up to, now cars can't take that yet, but this station can deliver that if needed. Huntington is a little out of the way. However, if you look at a map between Portland and Boise and try to site these things every 100 to 120 miles, Huntington hit the spot. This is a fast charger, so this will deliver a charge to a car right now in less than an hour, and in the future in as little time as 10 or 15 minutes or even 5 minutes as the cars advance. So these stations going up along our interstates are going to be essential to helping people get over range anxiety and adopt electric vehicles.